What am I doing today? You may be asking yourself. Well, today I have this mold here. I believe this one came from Julie Cuts. I think it's her Live Edge. Not used it in quite a long time. I've got these new Brea Reese alcohol inks to try out. I got a mystery pack from Counterculture DIY. It's like $10, so there are also a pink, a medium magenta, and a slate gray that came in this pack. It was a pack of 10. And I've got my Bond Craftor resin warming up. That's what this, so resin warmer here. And we're going to try a bloom. So I've got Julie Cuts a bloom paste. Now my bottle is very messed up. You can see it's a little dirty, but it likes to pour out of here. Oh, let's see. So I'm gonna have to watch that and make sure it doesn't go everywhere. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. So sit back, relax, and enjoy while I make a craft for you. All right, we'll be back. All right, our resin is mostly debubbled, and I've got a little over an ounce in here, and I have, what do I have in here? 3 ounces in here, so that's probably 2 ounces in there. And let us take our temperature here. Okay, let us see where we are. We are, oh, plenty warm. 93 in there. Ooh, 97. Yeah, we're more than ready. And that's because I put it in that heater to make sure it was debubbled. All right, so let's go ahead and get our white mixed. 1 drop. And give that a stir and see where we are. I don't do blooms often, so okay, that's not bad. You can definitely still see the stick when I turn it over to the side. And I've got a piping bag right here, and I'm just going to pour that into here. I do not have my heat mat on, so that's good. Okay, just going to set this off to the side here, and we're going to do thin layer at the bottom here. And I meant to spray it and completely forgot. A little spray. There's a little something over here. Is that a reflection? I guess that's a reflection. A little bit more. Do see a little something in there. Little some things. Thought I got it all clean. Okay, right there. I went over this with a piece of tape. Not sure why I'm getting stuck. Alright. Alright, I just took a fan to this, hopefully blowing out the alcohol. Alright, let's go. And I forgot to open all of these. Oh good, I don't have to worry about that. I'm just gonna do, I don't know, I'm just dropping them wherever they go. Alright, let us get, what do I want to do? I'm going to put some more yellow. No. Get our white. Snip off. Probably just going about that much. Try and move around any big bloops, except for those are deliberate. Just making up my own design here. Not really sure what's going to happen to it. Oops. That one's probably going to drop over there to the bottom and be blobby. Alright. I guess this is going to be it. And we're just going to watch what happens from here, I guess. And then we'll come back and do a dark layer behind it. See what we get. We're definitely not spreading a lot. And I don't know if that's just my resin, if it's the ink itself, but I wanted to give these a try. So we'll just move this off to the side. We still have some resin left. So let's go ahead and give this guy a try over here. But I may not have enough resin in there, but it's too late now. Currently sliding off. Yeah. And a little bit of the green. And if I can find out my dotting tool. This is weirdly sinking off to the side. And our white. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Alright, that's good. And now I want to do, for the green, I'm just going to do that. And now we're just going to do our typical, this. This is the thinnest layer I've ever poured. I was using Craftor 1:1 resin. I just really did not have enough for this to do. I don't know why I started it, but you know, you panic. You're like, oh, I don't want to waste any resin. And then you get caught. Okay, that's it. We're gonna let this rest up and see what it does. And yeah, and we'll be back to put a back coat on it. Oh, stick around. It's gonna take my heating tool on low. Also trying to pop some bubbles here. I know I see one right there. I can see some of this blooming, but not all of it. All right, there we go. So we got some nice sparkle action happening in this black. And we're just gonna see where that gets us with these. And I don't know what is up with my board, but it's definitely not level, and I had worked so hard at making it level. And somehow it just got completely off. I just don't know what the heck's going on with it. Looks like it's caving in the center. I don't know. Oh, goodness. All right, now we're just gonna wait. All right, let's go with this one. She's still a little soft. You can tell missed some. I don't know what happened to my leveling board, but it became very not level. And this was the really thin one. Oh, but that's fun. It's very interesting. I'm not mad at it. You can see where it's shifted because my board was uneven, but I still like it though. I don't know, what do you guys think of it? Too blurry? I mean, obviously not perfect at all, but I still kind of like it. Okay, and now our other one. Gotta love that sound, right? All right. Oh, she's a mess. Oh yeah, she turned out a big mess. I put way too many of those dots in there. She started moving and sliding. We'll give it another go though. I'm not defeated. I'll definitely give her another go. Definitely a mess. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate you all. If you're not subscribed, think about it. It's free for you. Just aim at the subscribe button, or boop the subscribe button, or aim your camera at the QR code that's popping up on the screen. And yeah, if you're so inclined and enabled to do so, I also have a wish list with Amazon and a buy me a coffee link in my description. Everything donated through there goes right back into my channel for purchasing new molds, resin, mica powders, glitters, inclusions, all that kind of fun stuff. But again, only if you're so enabled to do so and you wish to do so. Otherwise, you watching my videos, that is the most important thing. So I appreciate you all. Everybody take care, and we'll see you on the flip side. Bye. Stay tuned for the glamour shots.